Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, and I want to thank you very much for coming to check out WP Blazor 3.0. Now, this brand new version of the WP Blazor software by SEnuke Donovan is going to allow you to control all of your WordPress websites from one location, and as an added bonus, makes them much more secure, keeping hackers away, making your site safer, so you can start generating more traffic, leads, and sales faster, easier, and safer. So what I want you to do is go ahead and check out the sales page here, learn all about the product, all about the software, and then right below me in this little window, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see a countdown timer, and you're also going to see a button that says claim your bonus. You click that button, it's going to take you to my special bonus page where I have a ton of bonuses I'm giving you. When you take action, you pick up your copy of WP Blazor 3.0 through my link. Also, that timer is going to tell you how long the bonuses are good for. It's also going to tell you how long the launch is good for. Because once that timer hits zero, the launch will be over with and the price will go way up and the bonus will be taken away. It'll be gone forever. So with that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. Again, thanks for checking out WP Blazor. Look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.